babe? Last supper.
Gotta go to the bathroom.
Okay, go to the bathroom before last supper. Okay, you leave that right there. Baracho
Can you make me a plate?
and Rhonda making our last supper.
Oh, stop it. Silly.
Uncle Rob over here for the last supper. Y'all ready for the last supper? Wawa, we got Wawa up in the house. You know what I mean? Got Chris Holiday up in the building ready for the last supper. Got Marley. What's up, mama? What's up, mama? Oh, pretty girl. Oh, what's up, pretty girl? Yeah, here we go. You ready?
Alright, shut up.
We got boards on the window. Yeah. Last supper. All right, y'all. Well, I'll get back at y'all when the storm start getting worse. Wow, shout out to the people. You YouTube famous.